So here we have a history of the universe expressed. So here is the space clothing, rocket spaceships, planet designer some, and solar system information here. Oh, this is VR experience. Do I look like an astronaut? Our solar system, different planets, our Earth. Marvelous view of the universe. This is the ship door. Okay, welcome back, IT Forge. And we are here for our special episode from Tokyo, Japan. We are going to visit Space Museum, and it's very interesting area. It's nighttime, some kind of flying ship, spaceship, and Tokyo Dome. Okay, we'll find how to get to this museum, and I will get back to you. I'm back. So we're looking for 6th floor space Travelium TNQ. Okay, let's go. Okay, space Travelium TNQ. Nice. Okay, so we immediately get something here. Let's move forward. Let me purchase some tickets and I'll get back to you. Okay, finally we get inside. So this is my ticket and we go here. The thing is, it took a bit longer because we were figuring out if I want VR experience, and I wanted, so I was told that it should be something very, very cool. But the thing is, there are so many restrictions to this VR space, VR room. So guys didn't speak English and I don't speak Japanese, unfortunately. And we were trying to understand each other. Okay, so as I mentioned, today we have a very special episode for IT Forge, our videos we started to make some time ago, and today it will be about space. I understand the space is not something extremely connected and relevant to IoT, Internet of Things, smart things, but why not? I mean, it's cool stuff, it's complicated stuff, so let's do something. So here we have a history of the universe expressed as 1 year. Oh, cool. So they took all the history and put it by month, like January, February, March, April, etc. This is about information where do we live in terms of the universe. So you see, here is gate A. We're at Space Travel Center, so maybe I'm going to Mars. So here is the space clothing department. Cool. So this is part of the suit for Japanese astronauts. This is details about the materials used in space. Food stuff. Okay. So this is how brave astronauts eat in the space, and these are real space food examples. So what do we have here? Some rice, some juices, global space food, some cans. Yeah, it's complicated, I think, to eat in the space. Everyday products in the space cosmetics. Okay, Q&A about living in a weightless environment on the International Space Station. Most of them are Japanese. It's a bit complicated. So okay, let's see what we have here. Baggage from Mercury, 3.8, Venus. Okay, these are examples of baggage stuff for different travel, and this is example what you take to the space travel. Then we have space development roadmap, rocket and spaceships from different countries like China, United States, European Union, Japan. And this is different details about humanity conquering the space. Rocket launched. Oh, wonderful. Let's check the different sounds. The thing it's hard to hear because it's here from home. Okay, here is the words of the first man on the moon. Wow. And here is original lunar surface fragment. Okay, these are different sounds. They're all by phone, so it's a bit complicated. So here we have planet designer, some interactive stuff. Let's do some stuff. Okay, design your own star. Let's do a watermelon. a bit hard. Everything is Japanese. I bet I'm not very good at it. Okay. Okay, it's about astrophysics. Okay. More interactive stuff and solar system information here. Different information about planets. Okay, let's go next to the gate D. And here, some darkness of the outer space. Oh wow! So walkers where we need to stop, leave all the stuff, and I think we're going to our VR travel. So this is enter for all the walkers. Oh, this is VR experience, which we're going to take soon. And this is an interactive display with different information or travel to. I'm so sad I cannot take the stuff to the VR. We'll see how it works. I will tell you all the way feedback. Let's leave the stuff and check the VR. See you soon, guys. Okay, so the spacesuit to wear, and if you're satisfied, press the. Okay, we can choose from 60s, 70s, 20s. Let's do more than one, right? Okay, confirm. Okay, now we need to take a photo. Do I look like an astronaut? Okay, confirm. Passcode here for accessing the photo. Okay, confirm. We're currently issuing you tickets. Wonderful. Here we go. This is the ticket. Let's go take our VR experience. Okay, we are done with the virtual reality moon trip experience. I will tell a bit this experience a bit later. Now I want to finish with the rest of the area is here. And here's some creativity room with puzzles. You can build our solar system, different planets. And here is, wow, that's extremely huge projection of our planet Earth. It's so cool, so bright. I hope that GoPro can give you all the color, all the brightness of this screen. And here's the cafe. So now I will switch the camera and will tell you about my experience here with some background as well. I mean, like VR experience, right? So okay, hopefully I will get recorded well. So it was fantastic. I mean, maybe I'm not experienced VR user. So first of all, it was VR, not AR. So virtual reality, not augmented reality. So it was exceptionally great. Again, maybe I'm not experienced person with virtual reality. I did have like few occasions to do such beautiful thing. So several occasions of doing VR. Oh, you see this? Oh my gosh. That's so cool. So how does it work? So they have cool internal space. So first of all, you go to the elevator to the space. So it's like real astronaut. You see other people working, and they also have the different effects. Sometimes it's called 5D. Maybe you all heard about it. So when they use some sounds, some air like flows, and some vibrations. So try to emulate the experience that you are like moving on an elevator, on a cart, something like that. So you're on board to the spaceship, then you fly to the moon, of course. Then you go to the surface, you can take pictures, walk on the surface of moon, then you travel to moon base. And I mean, like all the journey takes, I don't know, 20 minutes, maybe even longer. I even heard voice of like the operator that, hey, your excursion to the moon should end soon, so please move to the spaceship, and then you fly back to the Earth. I mean, like exceptional great. I love it. So yeah, again, I really like this exhibition. Final thoughts: yes, I love the exhibition. not too many things on exhibition, but VR experience, yeah, it helps a lot. So I think if you are really experienced with VR, maybe it will not make that impression as it did for me, but it's worth to try. Also, again, about the things you could see there, not too many, but anyways, recommend, especially if you with children, go there. And hello IoT Forge, we hope to see more content with you guys. Bye. And let's end this marvelous view of the universe. Bye. Postscriptum. That was not the last room. So you get to the Lego room. Oh my gosh, you see so many Lego stuff built, astronauts, spaceships, suits, do not touch, so that's not for sale. I think comics in Japanese for Lego, for space, for universe. Oh my gosh, so many items. It's cool. I like, this is still exhibition. So many stuff built, Lego Technics, regular Lego, some small stuff for small kids, cartoons, and you see exceptional collections of Lego. For kids, it should be a dreamland. I mean, like, especially if they like to do Lego stuff, so I think here for small ones, you could do some stuff with Lego. This is a rocket built with Lego blocks. One more. Wonderful, wonderful. What else? Oh, guys, we have more here stuff. So again, this is some space stuff, some different more pieces, props, and models. And here is some video of what's going on in the spaceship. So I was too fast, sorry. The exhibition is bigger. I was thinking that VR experience is the last one. Oh, cool. And this is spaceship door. Okay, so this is Lego Space. Famous people are the photographers with all these wonderful pictures. Or I think we also have some other stuff related to astronauts, different things in the space. Actually, I mean, like the stuff which was in the space. This guy, definitely he was in the space. Okay, we're open. I cannot stay here. This is creative stuff for kids, doing all different things with paper cups, books, all this built with paper. Okay, let's see other rooms. Okay, probably last or close to be the last, the proto yacht. I don't know what is that. Some anime stuff for sure. Anime speaker. And accessories, some space design, modern clothes. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. So again, very cool. Projected images of the universe, of the space. Very good, bright, and so picture. And looks like exit, right? So too dark in the space. Sorry, I know, sick and tired of me, but this is the gift shop, and let's get some stuff for our IoT Forge folks. Maybe do some cool mini contest, right? Let's see what we have here, and I will definitely let you know. Bye.